If you want to see the Spider-Man jump, make some noise! Rick's Cafe, that was lousy. If you want to see the Spider-Man, make some noise! Spider, make sure you catch the audience in your selfie video. Make some noise for Spider! He's about to die. He's nervous. I'm nervous. Are you nervous, Rick's Cafe? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump! Make some noise for Spider! The Secret Band will be taking center stage in 30 minutes.
Best place to find love is in the bar.
Right now we're here in Rick's Cafe and we just witnessed the diver Spider jump, long jump, crazy. One of the many attractions that Negro